Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add music bot to Discord server. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to top.gg. On the search bar from top.gg, search for Greenbot and then hit on search. Once the search results are out, look for Greenbot, tap on it and then click on the button that says Invite. Once you click on invite, all you have to do this time is to select which server you want to authorize and invite Greenbot to. Once done, click on the button that says authorize. Now head on over to your server where you invited Greenbot. Over at your server, head on over to the hashtag general channel, and then you will see Greenbot has joined your server. For Greenbot's music playing commands, all you have to do this time is to tap on /play, and then you can now provide a name of a song or a link. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.